This is how you make espresso coffee. I got this new machine that is almost the same as the espresso coffee. The coffee tastes exactly the same. Doesn't have any difference as the old espresso coffee machine. So I will show you how to make it. Like, you fill it up with water up to the little where the steam comes out, exactly that bottom in there. I fill it up to there with water. Like you can see there, the water moving. And now you get this part, you put it in there, and then you put the coffee. This is the one I like, Medaglia D'Oro. So put it right there, up to the line. You see they have like a line. And now this part goes on top. Oh. You have to go all the way around until it's well tight. When it's look tight, then it's done. Now you get the cup and you put it right there on top, and then put it in high, and now it's on, and should take 5 minutes, exactly 5 minutes to be done, and all the coffee will start coming in 5 minutes right in there. It's really easy. And for sugar, I like the old-fashioned brown sugar. Tastes better than the white sugar for any recipe. And let's see. Well, it will take exactly 5 minutes, but I always make sure to be in 4 minutes here, so I start seeing how it comes out. I know a lot of people like the old style coffee maker. I have one. I could show it to you. It's this one. You see, it's not much different to that one. Have the same bottom part where the water goes right in here, and here is the same that is in the other one, on the other side.